Hi friends, I'm Dr. Danny Glassman, the Leadership Alchemist, and this is probably my 10th time trying to shoot this. So I'm just going to do my best to lean into this moment and to share with you what I'm really excited about, which is SoulCPR. My first, as the Leadership Alchemist, sharing a session about how to breathe, how to reset, how to reclaim that spark that you might be missing right now. I know in higher ed because I've worked in higher ed for over 20 years with incredible leaders, with incredible students, and with incredible organizations. And what I've learned is that, gosh, you make it through August and you have so much energy, and by the mid-September, it starts to wane. That's why I intentionally put SoulCPR right here. It's meant to be a nice landing, a place for you to come, to breathe, and to reset. We'll use some soulful techniques that you can actually use tomorrow. And these are meant to help you reset, recharge, and regain that spark. So you can move from the soulless to the soulful work that I know all of you care so deeply about. So join us tomorrow, Wednesday, September 10th at 3 p.m. You can join us by going to drdanyg.com/SoulCPR, where you can sign up. Would love to see you there tomorrow. Can't wait. Thank you all, and take care. And don't forget, breathe.